Last class we have started algebra and some problems based on that. I think we have discussed question number 5 only. So in algebra, a into b means ab we will write, that is the product form, or multiplication form we will write. But in arithmetic, what is the meaning of 3 into 5? That is the question. Arithmetic means our numerical questions only, what we are dealing with operations only, numbers will come in arithmetic. So 3 into 5, what is the answer? 3 into 5, it is 15 only, right? So it is equal to 15. So that means C is the option. I gave the correct option here. Once you get the video, it will be, everything will be there, nothing to worry about that one. Listen to the class first. In algebra, letters may stand for, that means letters means any alphabets, that is only here meaning is that, so it stands for, from the given option you should choose. One is known quantities, one is unknown quantities, one is fixed numbers, and then none of these. Because unknown values we are assuming that by letters. Let x be the number, let a be x be the age of the father, y be the age of the son, like that we are assuming, and the letters are we are using the, so for unknown quantities we are replacing with the variables. Understood this one? We are using the letters. Now variable means what in a algebra? Can take different value, it has a fixed value, it can take only two values, and can take only three values. It can take any different values. We have solved for 2n multiplication table. 2n is an example. When n is a natural number, n is 1 means 2 into 1 it is equal to 2, 2 into 2 it is equal to 4, right? Like that we will get 2 into 3 it is equal to 6. So any number of values it can take, and can take any number of values, different values can take. Now, what is the meaning of 10 minus x? See, algebra you will get many equations. 10 minus x. How to read this one? That is the question. When we have given x plus 10, remember that one, the age will be differ by 2. 10 is, I think, marbles questions. Amina is having x means the other one is having 10 more marbles. So we formed x plus 10. Now the question is that what is the meaning of 10 minus x? How to read in algebra that one? 10 is, I'll read the options. 10 is subtracted from x times. Listen here only, all of you. 10 is subtracted x times. X is subtracted 10 times. X is subtracted from 10, and 10 is subtracted from x. After from, the first term from will come. See, here also from is there, here also from is there. From 10 you are subtracting x. That means the 10 is the first number to be written. From x means x is the number to be written. So which is the correct option here? X is subtracted from 10, that is C is the correct option. So clear? So here all these questions, what happens? You can see the number. This question, what particularly, you can see the number, you can see the variable, and you can see the multiple operation, multiplication, sorry, subtraction operation you can see here. So all these are coming in algebra only. Now what is the next question? Savitri has a sum of rupees X. She spent rupees 1000 on grocery, rupees 500 on clothes, and rupees 400 on education. And at the same time, she received rupees 200 as a gift. How much money in rupees is left with her? It is an idea to get how the algebraic questions are there. See, Savitri has a sum of rupees X. That means she has an amount X is there. From that, she spent 1000. So minus 1000. Right. Now 500 on clothes. Again, she spent only. So spend means we will go and purchase something and we will give to the shopkeeper. So that is whatever money we are having, from that it is reducing. So minus again, minus 500. Again 400 on education. Got? Now what is the answer? Up to now, what is the amount she spent? 1000 she spent on grocery, 500 on clothes, and 400 on education. That means she spent 1900. She spent how much? She spent 1900 only. But what happened to, now she received a gift of rupees 200. She received a gift of rupees 200. That means it's an additional. You already know that when you are giving some, we received some gift means it's an added advantages for us. So 200 is plus for us, right? So the 200 we are adding here. So what happened? Minus 1900 and 200, you will get minus 1700. That means she, now what is the amount left to her means x minus 1700 only. Whatever we are spending, it will be deducted, and whatever we are adding, receiving, that will be added. So after the simplification of this part, you can see that minus 1900 and plus 200, what is the result? Minus 1700 only. So which is the correct option? A, that is x minus 1700. Okay. Now the perimeter of the triangle shown in the figure 7.1. One triangle is given. All the triangle is having the length is mentioned in the diagram. What is the first one? That is x. Other side is also x. Down you can see that is base, you can see as a y. Now what is the perimeter of this triangle? Perimeter of this triangle means perimeter of the normal triangle only we will tell, means what is the formula for a perimeter of the triangle? Sum of the length of all the three sides, right? What is the perimeter of the triangle formula? Sum of the length of all the three sides only. So when we are having the three sides, suppose we will add, for example, just we are having a triangle. What we will do, get for getting the perimeter, we will add 3 plus 4 plus 5, right? That means what is the answer? That is the 4, 3 plus 4, 7, 7 plus 5, 12 will get. But in this case, what happened? There is no value, there is numerical value is not given, only the variables are given. So what will give here? X plus y. Now you have not learned the like terms and all addition, we have not learned, but x is having 1x here and one number is not written, that means one time. So 1 plus 1, 2 will come. So the answer is 2x plus y. Now at least if you understood this much part, x plus y, then it is very clear, you know some algebra things, understood? X plus y means what happens here? Here we are adding x only, x are the like terms that we will add, that step we will learn later only. But how the perimeter will be calculated? The perimeter will be calculated as sum of the length of the sides only. So we are adding all the three sides there. So here it is a variables given. So x plus y. So we are getting that 2x plus y. At least you must know this thing. X plus y. We are adding sum of all the three sides. Now, area of the square having each side x. You learned the formula itself in the lower classes. What is the area of the square? Side square we have learned, right? So when a square is given and the side length is 3, and what happens? Area how will get calculated there? 3 into 3 only. So when we are having the numerical for a square, what we'll do? 3 into 3. But when we are having the which one? Variable there, instead of 3 we are having this time it is x. So what will happen? X into x, right? So x into x should be written for area of the square. So what is the option here? Here the option is A only. Now the expression obtained when x is multiplied by 2 then subtracted from 3. Expression obtained when x is multiplied by 2, that means x into 2 only. So we should write it 2x. Now subtracted from 3. That is 3 is the main. From 3 only we are doing. So 3 should come first, right? So 3 minus 2x will come. So 3 minus 2x will come. So which is the option? 3 minus 2x? That is C only, the correct option. Now what is the next question? Kanda has P pencils in her box. She puts Q more pencils in the box. The total number of the pencils with her are. I repeat, Kanda has P pencils in her box. She puts Q more pencils in the box. What are the total number of the box? Total number of the pencils in the box. Suppose you are having first 3. Then She put 2 more. What you'll do? 3 plus 2 only, right? So here also what is the same question? P and a Q will be added. Addition operation we have to use. So which is the question, which is the correct option? A is the correct option. Now Kanika's present age is X years. Complete the following table. Her brother is 2 years younger. That means suppose her age is now X, her brother is younger to her, so 2 years less. So how the equation will form? X minus 2. Right now, when you are having an age of 10 and your brother is 2 years less, means what will do? 10 minus 2 only will do. Now suppose your age is 15, your brother is less than 2, means what will do there? 15 minus 2 only. The same way, instead of 10, what we should write? X only. So X minus 2. Now what happened to her father's age? It exceeds, means more. It is more than her age by 35 years. So we already decided her age is X, right? So it will be added, 35 will be added to X only. Now for example, your age is 10, you think. Now your father's age is 35 years more than to you. That means 10 plus 35 you will do in the numerical value. Suppose your age is 12, then also what will do? 12 plus 35, like that only na. So instead of 10 and 12, what we should write? Her age as a variable we should write as a X, because X is given in the question. X plus 35. Mother's age is 3 years less than that of the father. Now here problem comes, because father age we must know. What is father age? X plus 35. Now what happened to mother's age? It is less 3 years, so minus 3. So 35 minus 3 numerical you can do. Plus 35 minus 3, what is the answer? 32 only. So we'll write here X plus 32. Right? Now her grandfather's age is 8 times her age. So 8 into her age. Right? 8 into her age means 8x. Like that we can write. Suppose your age is 10, your grandfather's age is 8 times of your age, means 10 into 8, your answer will be 80. Suppose your age is 12, then grandfather's age is 8. So 12 into 8, 96. What will do? He'll multiply. Instead of 10 and 12, what will should write here? X only. That is why generalized statement we can form here, that is equal to 8x. Now, Meenu's age is X years. What was her age in years? 10 years back ago. Now present age is what? X. So from x we should subtract 10. So x minus 10. 10 years ago it is asked before. Before. Now you are having 10 means 10 minus 10 0. That means your birth is not taken place, right? That is the thing. Otherwise birthday only it is. Like that we can think. Now your age is 12. So what will happen? 10 years back means you will be only 2 years old. So we are getting a formula x minus 10 here. Now the rule. Next question. The rule which gives the number of matchsticks required to make the matchstick pattern of U. Pattern U means how we'll form with the matchsticks 1, 2, 3. So what is the 3 into number of sticks? Isn't it? So 3n. Where is 3n is coming? In B. So that is the answer for the rule for U. Next, state whether true or false. Okay. So in the equation 7k minus 7 equal to 7. Now which is the variable now? Variable means letter. Which is the letter here? K. But what is the statement is given in the equation? 7k minus 7 equal to 7 and the variable is 7. The question is asked whether it is a true or false. So variable is not 7. 7 is called as a constant, or we can call it as a fixed number. What we can call it as a 7? We can call it as a fixed number or a constant. But here it is written that variable is 7. So it is false. The distance between New Delhi and Bhopal is not a variable. See, when you are finding a distance between your home and a temple, what will do? You can say that it is just 10 kilometer away from our home. The temple is 10 kilometer away from our home. So you are using the number there, not a variable there, right? So when you are saying the distance, it is a number only. It is not a variable. So when you are calculating distance between two places, that will be a number. So here it is given that New Delhi and Bhopal. We can go for Hubli and Bijapur. We can go for Bijapur and next Inti. Like that, we can find out the distance between two places. For example, smallest example I told you that your home and the temple. So you know that some distance you have to travel that you can measure. So it cannot be variable, isn't it? It will be a number only. So number means it's a fixed number, or we can use as a constant only. So the distance between New Delhi and Bhopal is not a variable. It's not a variable, it's a number. So our statement is true. You can tell that there may be difference between New Delhi and Bhopal more than 1000 kilometers is there. So the number is coming there. Number means it's not a variable. Now the difference between the ages of two sisters, Leela and Yamini, is a variable. Means difference between two ages of two sisters. So your sisters only you take if you are not having brother and sister. Suppose you are 10 years, your younger brother is having 5 years. So what is the difference between the age? 10 minus 5, that is equal to 5. Suppose you are having age 10 and the other your brother is having only 7. So 10 minus 7, what is the difference there? You will get a 3. 3 is a number. But here if it is a number means what is the name? Fixed or a constant number. Constant we should use, but it is given that it is a variable. False only. Actually it should be a number. Number means constant we can say, or we can say fixed only. So what is the answer? We can say that it is false. The number of lines that can be drawn through a point is a variable. Number of lines that can be drawn through a point is a variable. So point is a variable. Variable means again, because here why the statement came means we do a point is taken, we can draw many number of lines. We cannot say that only three number, many is unknown to us. How many are possible? That is why we can consider as a true, right? So what is the number of lines drawn through a point? A point, if you consider many lines we can draw like this, it is uncountable. So let x be the number. It's a variable, that is a true. So once again, I'll repeat all the questions today what we have referred. Algebra means it's a variables included with the variables. It is possible, numbers is possible, and also in addition to that, operation, mathematical operations also there. So algebra means listen carefully. Questions I'm repeating once again. Those are not followed. Listen once again. In algebra, a into b means AB. So what is the meaning in arithmetic? 3 into 5. Arithmetic means it's a numerical solutions only. Numerical problems we are doing. So you know that multiplication table very well. So what is 3 into 5? It is equal to 15. Right? Now in algebra, letters may stand for. What is letters means? Letters means A, B, C, D, X, Y, Z. We have written already that they are all called as a variables only. Variable, when we are assuming that when we don't know the things, let us assuming that x be the age of this person, x be the amount I'm having. So unknown quantities we are represented by letters. Unknown quantities we are represented by letters. What is the next point? What is the meaning of variable here? Because from the given option, what is the variable means? It can take different values, it can take only one value, it can take two value, it can take three value, it can take different values. How many values? In many values it can take. Now how to read 10 minus x in algebra? How to read 10 minus x? X is subtracted from 10. 10 is coming first, right? X is subtracted from 10. Again, I think you understood now. Now we can move to the next question. Savitri has a sum of rupees x. From there, that means x is the amount she is having. From there, she is spending 1000 rupees. She is spending 500 rupees on clothes and she's spending 400. That means 1900 from the amount what she is having. That is unknown amount. What is the total amount she is having? We don't know. So what we are taking? We are assuming that it is equal to X. From there, we have deducted 1900. But what she got? She received a 200 rupees gift. So 200 rupees is added there, right? So that is why after the simplification, according to the question, what is the answer? We are getting X minus 1700. Maybe you feel difficult for simplification and all. Don't worry about that. You should understand the concept that when we are spending, it should be deducted. When you are receiving something, it will be a gift for us, that will be added to the amount what we are having. Clear this one? That is the concept we have to teach here only. So in algebra, we are spending means it showed by the addition subtraction operation. When we are receiving something, it is showed by the addition operation. Now just the perimeter only. Perimeter, if it is a numerical values, we know that how to add and do 3 plus 4 plus 5. Very fast you people all these things. But when it comes to the variable, what will happen? It should be added like this: x plus y. Since the given option is 2x plus y, I told you to write this one. But in your level, you can write this as answer: x plus y. Last exercise after teaching, I'll teach you how to add the variables and all. Now you got the idea how to add the variables: x plus y, because all three values we don't know, they had given or showed by variables only. So x plus y, also you can write the answer for this option, right? Next, what is area of the square? Area of the square means one side is x. All the remaining side is also x only, because it's a square only. So how we can calculate area? Side into side. So one side is x means definitely other side is x. So x into x. According to that option we had given here. Now what is the expression when x is multiplied by 2? 2 into x, then subtracted from 3. So from 3 means 3 should be written first. 3 minus 2x. Next class you will get more idea about expressions and all. Just a question we are doing and showing that algebra is coming where and how we are writing, right? So don't take too much attention how we are writing and all. Don't think expression is coming in the next class also. That time also you will get more idea how we are getting this one. One examples I have showed here. So in that you can see that variables are coming, constants are coming, and mathematical operations are coming. That is the concept of algebra. Understood? Now next question. Kanda has P pencils in her box. She puts Q more pencils in her box. You know that if you are having three, the your brother you are putting an additional 2 means you know you will add 3 plus 2. Another example, if you are having, I'll just share this one. I'll change the number. If the number is 3 and 2, I had shown. Now you are having 4. I'm adding 3 there. So what you'll do there? 4 plus 3. Naturally, it will be 4 plus 3. But here what happened? Instead of 4, it is P. Instead of 3, it is Q. So how the equation will be? P plus Q. So which option is correct? A is the correct. So I think now you are getting the idea how to use algebra and all. Now what is the next question? Kanika's percentage is X years. Complete the following table showing the age of her relatives. So some relation they had given with the Kanika's age. You already know that when your age is known, that when your age is known, then your brother's age, your mother's age, your father's age, all you can calculate if you know the difference between them. So now what is the condition they had given? Her brother is 2 years younger. So how will form? From the x, you should deduct 2. That means x minus 2. Her father's age is exceeds her age by 35 years. That means added 35 to her age. So x plus 35. Now mother's age is 3 years less than her father's age. So already we have calculated her father's age. From that, how much is to be deducted? 3. That means 35 minus 3. What is answer? 32. So what we are getting? X plus 32. Now what happened to grandfather's age? It's a age multipled. So 8 times. So 8 into x. When you see the pattern of matchsticks, we have used this one 2n, 3n like that, right? So the same concept we are using here. It is 2n, 3n, 5n. Here 8 times of her age. So 8x, right? Now Meenu's present age is x years. What was her age in years? 10 years back. 10 years back means 10 years ago. So how to write? From x, we should subtract 10. So x minus 10. Now the same rule, we have already done the matchsticks pattern. This time u is given, so the pattern is 3 into n, because one u, how many matchsticks you are using? 3. So 3 into n only. Stage whether true or false only. So in the equation 7k minus 7 equal to 7, the variable is 7. What is the variable actually? Variable is k. That is why it is false, right? The distance between New Delhi and Bhopal is not a variable. When you are calculating the distance between two places, it will be a number. So it's not a variable. It's true. Now, difference between two age of two sisters is a variable. Yes, definitely. Again, difference between your brother and sister, otherwise your sister and you. When you take the difference, you will get that a number only. Number means it is a variable. It's not a variable. It's a variable is given, so our answer is false only. Number of lines that can drawn through a point is a variable, because a point is taken, many number of lines can be drawn. That is why we have written it is a true one, right? So this is the concept we have learned. Based on that, today you can complete exercise 11.1, right? So exercise 11.1 is the homework for today. Now just check the time. Okay, I'll just go for the other common rule. Okay, to next class only I'll take. So this 20 questions. Anybody is having any doubt for any question?
Ma'am, I don't understand. Ma'am,
No
ninth
doubts.
question.
Answer
Third
all,
question.
ma'am.
Is the homework
One by
ninth
one.
question?
Ninth question. Okay. Ha.
Ma'am,
So,
please tell Hindi, ma'am.
Hindi. Just a minute. Question number 9 is having a doubt, right? Question number 9 is explained in such a way that you are, don't take Savitri only, yourself is having some amount, right? So suppose I'm having just 10 rupees only. Got? From the 10 rupees, I spend it 7 rupees. What you will do? 10 minus 7 only you will do, right? 10 minus 7, what is the answer? 3.
Three.
Along with that 3, you are receiving a gift of 2 rupees. So what will happen to now? 3 plus 2. Your answer is 5. So with the number, there is no problem for understanding. But now what is the amount with they told? Savitri is having X amount there. You leave the amount. You leave the amount what she is having. What? How much amount did she spend there? 1,000, then 500, 400. That means 1,900 she spent already, right? Now, if 1,900 is she spent, from that to that 200 as a gift she got. Understood? So it's addition only. 1,900 gone, to that she got 200. So what is the equation we are having first? From the amount 10 rupees, you think that example, you think from the 10 you deducted 7 first. So instead of 7 we are having 1,900, right? Then I told that after 10 minus 7 you got a rupees 2 as a gift. We got here 200 rupees as a gift. So only solve the number part. So what is the here we are getting, since the negative number is greater, you will get x minus 1,700. So she lost only 1,700 because of the 200. Understood now? I hope you understood now. Just to take a
Yes,
small
ma'am.
example of 10 rupees, from that 7 is deducted. So what is the amount remaining? 3. Isn't it? To the 3 we added 2 rupees. So total 5. Correct? The same concept only, but what is the exact amount she is having, that we don't know in algebra. That is why we are assuming that X. From that, she deducted, she spent 1900, to that 200 is added. So what is the final answer? Minus 1700 she lost because of the added advantage of 200. I hope it is clear now. Now,
Yes, ma'am. I
okay,
understood.
okay, good.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes,
We should write these 16 problems in classwork books, ma'am.
that I'll explain. Any other doubt is there?
No.
No, ma'am.
Okay. So I'll stop the class now. You will get the
No,
videos
ma'am.
first one. Okay.
Please tell.